Hello everybody, my name is Angie Lisette. My last name is Barrero Arias. I am 19 years old. I work at Hansel and Gretel School as an English teacher. I work with kids. I'm studying at the Santo Tomas University. I'm in third semester. I am from Villavo. I live in Gramalote neighborhood. I live with my family, with my father. His name is Enrique and he is a taxi driver. I live with my mother. Her name is Rubiela and she is working at home. I also live with my brother and my sister. My sister is 16 years old. She is studying at the Santo Tomas University. And my little brother, his name is Steven, and he is studying in the school. I also live with my cousin. I have two pets. I have one dog and one rabbit. My favorite color is pink and my favorite animal is the dog. On weekends, I used to go to the gym, I go to the church, and on Saturday, I go to the university. On Sundays, I do my homeworks, I prepare my classes, and I do all the things I have to do. Um, my hobbies. My favorite hobbies are play the guitar, playing football. I like to eat fast food. I like to go to the I like to watch TV, to go to the movie, to go to the